Hey guys, Josh from Jsai Aero here. I've got my R34 on the hoist today, and while it's up there, I'd like to show you just how easy it is to fit our GT style front lip to the standard front bar. I'm going to show you the mounting hardware, some tips you can use when installing it on your own. I'm also going to show you how much lower it's going to sit when it's installed and on the ground. Now, this product, like all our products, are handmade by us at our workshop here in Australia. And like all aftermarket parts, we highly recommend you do a trial fit before you prime and paint. Now let's get stuck into it. From the factory, the bar will have 12 pre-drilled holes. And on 10 of those holes are these metal clips with a thread in it. Now, if your bar doesn't have those clips, there is no need to worry because we supply brand new nuts, bolts and washers to match the lip to the bar. If you're installing this on your own, I highly recommend getting yourself a pair of these plastic clamps. They're going to work like another pair of hands for you. Now, simply match the pre-drilled holes up with the pre-drilled holes on the lip and the clips. Get it into place and clamp it. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, get 3 of the 12 bolts we supply. Start off with the center at the front. Now, you just want to start these bolts. You do not want to do them up tight. Do the same thing both sides. Take the clamps off. Now the lip will stay up, and you'll notice that the lip is quite loose. You can move it around. That is what you want. You want to be able to move the lip back and forth, getting it into a place where you're happy. Just get out from under the car, check that you're happy with the line. You want the lip to match nicely with the bar. Now, I said that there were 12 pre-drilled holes, but there were 10 clips. That's because the last 2 holes on the bar do not have clips. So get a bolt in that hole, get a washer, and then put a nut in it. Do that up. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Bolt, washer, and nut. Make sure you're happy with the position of the bar and go ahead and tighten all of the bolts up that you've put in. Now, with the remaining holes, just fill them in with the bolts we supply. Or, if you're running the splash tray, now would be the time to put the splash tray in and put it into place. Now that these are all tight, let's lower the car down and let's measure how much lower the lip is from the standard height. Okay, so before I put the lip on the bar and I put the car on the hoist, I did measure the corner of the bar to the ground, and it measured about 17 centimeters off the ground. So with the lip installed, we're at about 11. So you've lost about 6 centimeters by adding this lip to the bar. I just think it's something you should keep in mind when you do go to purchase something like this. You are gonna lose a bit of ground clearance. So with that in mind and that done, let's walk around the car and let's see how it looks. The install is done, you've seen how it fits. Now, some of the other questions we do get are, will it fit a Series 1 or a Series 2? The answer is, it will pretty much fit anything from the start of the production run to the end of the production run of the R34 SKYLINE. It'll also fit the 2-door and the 4-door versions also. So I guess if you're interested in this product or any of the other huge amount of parts we make for the JDM sports cars, you can check them out on jsai.com.au. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later.